This camera not going bye-byes, no. Nope, nope. Well, no bye-byes, nope. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so in this video here, I'm pulling out the blower motor and the AC condenser on the VR4. I made this video over the summer, and it's, almost December now. I just haven't uploaded it, been busy. I'll do another video explaining everything soon. I just wanted to get a video up for now. So, yeah, this is me trying to get it out. It's a pain in the ass. You can see it's got cobwebs and mouse crap all over it. And you're going to see the inside of it, just how nasty it was. I'm glad I took the time to do this. Because if I didn't do this and just put the dash back on and put everything back together, I would have regretted it. Yeah. That would not have been good to be breathing in. That wouldn't have been efficient either. Yep. Yep. Wow. Yeah, that'd have been bad. Alright, so this one, as you can see, sorry about the lighting, it's terrible in here. As you can see, the mouse nest in there. This one came out of the VR4 that's being rebuilt with the red interior. This one came out of the parts car. Now the parts car didn't have the electric console for the air conditioning and the heat. It had the manual knobs, and then this one had the electric, and you can see the difference in the two side by side. And then here and here. So yeah, so I'm not going to be able to swap this from the parts car to the rebuild. I'm going to have to clean this and put it back in. And hope that it doesn't stink. Yeah. And then I looked on eBay, and there's some of these on there, but they do not sell. Like, they never sell. So there's really no point of putting it on eBay. I'm going to just probably throw that away. Yep, so that's where we're at. Now I have to clean this. So yeah, I took that part, cleaned it up, spray painted it, put it back together. Basically, I took the two blower motors and just made one good one out of it. When I cleaned it up, I pressure washed it, and when I did that, all of the foam gaskets for the flaps wore out, so I had to go back and put like weather stripping on there. You could see the little white weather strip I put on there. It's not the best, but it'll work. It's not gonna hurt anything, as long as the weather stripping, creates somewhat of a seal. And then here, I just show I swapped the electronics from one motor to another, and all the little levers. So from the electric to the manual. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Having a donor car, an extra blower motor really helped. Because I just threw away all the really infested parts of the other one. You saw all the crap that came out of it. But yeah, I'm gonna put another video up soon. Just stay tuned, bear with me. Thanks for watching, subscribe. See you later.